In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Sheet View in Excel. If you've ever worked in a shared workbook and worried that your filters or sorts might mess up what someone else is seeing, Sheet View is designed for exactly that. It lets you temporarily filter and sort data your own way without changing the view for your teammates. Think of it as your private lens on a shared sheet. With your workbook open, start by heading to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. The ribbon is the strip of commands along the top, and View sits alongside tabs like Home and Insert. Clicking View switches the ribbon so you can access layout and display tools that affect how you see your worksheet. Once you're in the View tab, look for the area labeled Sheet View. There, click New. The moment you do this, Excel creates a personal sheet view for you. You'll notice visual cues that confirm you're in a dedicated view, and from here on, you can sort columns, apply filters, and move around your data without changing what collaborators see. It's perfect for analyzing a subset of rows, trying out a different sort order, or focusing on a specific category, while everyone else continues working uninterrupted. A couple of helpful notes while you're in this personal view. Your edits to values and formulas still update the workbook, but display actions like sort and filter are isolated to your view. That means you can confidently test an approach to organizing data without worrying about causing confusion for others. If you're collaborating live, your teammates keep their own views, and your display choices won't ripple into theirs. If you don't see Sheet View on the View tab, a few things can help. Make sure you're working in a standard worksheet, not in a chart sheet or a protected scenario that limits commands. Sheet View is available in Excel for Microsoft 365 and Excel for the web, and it works best when the file is saved to a cloud location like OneDrive or SharePoint, which is common in shared workflows. If it's missing, check for updates or open the file from a supported location. That's all there is to enabling Sheet View. Go to the View tab, then click New in the Sheet View section. From there, explore your data confidently, knowing your sorts and filters stay personal, while your workbook stays in sync. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, calmer way to collaborate in Excel.